Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating where VAL51 originates and why it appears. Connect your diagnostic cable and capture logs while reproducing the fault. This shows whether it's firmware, sensor, or comms. Once you have the error timestamp, check firmware version and known incompatibilities. Make sure power is stable and note any recent changes. You'll act on this data next, so organize logs chronologically and mark the first occurrence. That makes the next step surgical and avoids blind trial and error. Now focus on isolating the failing subsystem that produces VAL51. Run live diagnostics and watch sensor outputs and bus traffic for anomalies. Intermittent zeros or spikes point to hardware. Disconnect non-essential peripherals to rule out bus contention and measure voltage rails with a multimeter to confirm stable supply. Swap in a known good module or cable when possible to see if the error follows a component. Once isolated, document the exact failing pin, message ID, perform the chosen corrective action, reflash firmware if corrupted, replace the identified sensor, or reseat and secure connectors and grounds. After repair, reboot and run a full regression and stress test for at least 30 minutes while monitoring the original error metrics. Make sure the log shows no recurrence of VAL51 under the same conditions. If the error persists, recapture fresh logs, include the before and after steps, and escalate to vendor support with your findings to avoid repeating basic troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.